Good morning, year five. In our social studies, this is our social studies lesson now. In social studies, in the last week, we were discussing about the adaptations of the animal that lives in the alpine region, and then we compared the adaptation of the alpine to the desert animals. So today we are going to see tourism in the Alps. As you know that the Alp mountains are covered with snow. Some of the peaks are covered throughout the year with a blanket of snow, and some of the mountains they are completely changed in the summer. So it's a tourist a place where which attracts tourism, a lot of tourism. So today we are going to discuss tourism in the Alps, and our learning objective is to explore the tourism in Alps. You will be able to explain the meaning of tourism. You'll be able to identify tourist activities in the Alps. Okay, so we start with what do you know about tourism? When you say when we say tourism, what comes to your mind? What do you think is tourism? So this is just your thought, what you think what tourism is. So after the learning objective, you can write it on a post-it or and stick it in your book, or if you don't have post-it, you can just write it in your copybook. And then so you will write what you think is tourism, what you know about tourism, what is tourism. And the next is, if you're given a chance, which place would you like to visit in the alpine region and why? So which place, we have studied about a lot of mountains, the highest peak, and there are different cities and different places of the Alps. So which one would you like to visit and why? And then we want the next task that you will do in your copybook is you will make a spidergram and you will list as many different ways tourists can use snow and ice. So you must have seen, or you must have heard, or you if you have gone to a place with snow and ice, what are the different activities that tourists can do to enjoy the snow and the ice. So list some of them here, make a spidergram, and then has anyone had a winter holiday? Why did you go? Why do you think we need to go in our holiday? So whenever we think of a holiday, we want to go somewhere else. So why do you think we want to go, and what did you do there if you have been to somewhere? You can write your experience if you had been to a holiday somewhere. Why do you think you went there, and what did you do there? So and then that is what you have to write, and then think of the which of the VAs and the ACPs have you used in during the lesson. Okay, so that's a lesson for today. So these two slides, if you have post-its, you can take, otherwise just write it in your copybook and then make a spidergram and what different activities you think uh, the tourist can enjoy in the snow. And then you can write, if you had been to a holiday somewhere in a cold place on the cold mountains, you can write your experience. Why did you go there? What did you do there? And then finally, AVAs and the ACPs. That's a lesson for today. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.